Okay.
Okay, starting from 2 again.
There are lots of things to see at the museum. There are many statues. They are made of stone and they might look like a person or an animal. We can also see a lot of jewelry.
Thanks. Uh, 3, we're going to read the questions, then go back to read the passage and answer the questions. Okay. So number 1 is Dash have found lots of important artifacts. Uh,
Um, but I but I
what
have
do
a
you think?
question.
What do you
So,
think?
so I so so I so I can't do these questions because I didn't read the paragraph anyways.
Okay. Firstly, we read the questions in order to when you read the passage, you just find out the answers for your questions. Okay.
Okay.
So, Dash have found lots of important artifacts. What do you think, firstly? Before reading, what do you think? Archaeologists have found.
Archaeologists.
Okay. People believe that artifacts would help them in their.
Afterlife.
Okay. So we have other questions. What are there in ancient temples?
Uh,
Why have the statues and paintings survived for a long time? What did the paintings in tombs often show? Where have archaeologists found important artifacts? Okay, now let's read.
okay.
Do you want to read this
Okay.
again?
No.
Okay.
Ancient Egyptians' art is famous all around the world. There are many statues and paintings in ancient Egypt temples because Egypt is a very dry country. The paintings and statues have survived for a long time. Archaeologists have found lots of important artifacts in tombs of the pharaohs. People believe that these artifacts would help them in the afterlife. Okay. Uh, there were small models of boats, animals, lots of things that were important in a daily life. Paintings in tombs often shows a picture of the person in the afterlife too.
Okay. So number 1 is, as you said,
Archaeologists.
archaeologists, and number 2 is afterlife. What are there in ancient temples?
Okay, I can. 1 second. Um, important artifacts. To help the pharaohs in their afterlife.
Okay, so what did they find? Just artifacts?
Like maybe lots of important stuff in a pharaoh's daily life.
Okay, have a look at this sentence.
What?
Yes, there were.
Where are I don't understand.
Look at this one. There were
Yeah.
small models of food, animals, people, lots of things that were important in daily life. Okay, so all these things were put in the tomb.
Um,
Why have the statues and paintings survived for a long time?
because Egypt is a very dry country.
Thanks. Number 5. What did paintings in tombs often show?
Um, people that were in the afterlife.
Thanks. Where have archaeologists found important artifacts? Where have
In
archaeologists found?
tombs.
Oh, right.
In tombs and temples.
Thanks.
Ancient temples.
Okay, thanks. Number 5.
There aren't any potatoes in the cupboard. There isn't enough water in the bottle. How much rice is there? There are some tools in the box.
Number 6.
We are at the museum. How many sculptures are there?
Thanks. This paragraph talks about archaeologists. Okay. Um, can you just say three sentences? Just three sentences for one sentence for each word. Learn, Tom, and artifacts. Can you?
Arch- arch- ar- Archaeologists like to learn about um the past.
Archaeologists like to learn about the past. This is wonderful. Thanks. And Tom's?
Archaeologists find important stuff in tombs.
Okay, wonderful. Thanks. Oh,
Archeo- Archaeologists
yes.
finds important artifacts in tombs.
Okay, this is wonderful. Thank you so much. Uh, by the end of this test, we have finished Unit 8.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready to go to Unit 9?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, it talks about hospitals. So the title is At the Hospital. I feel that you like these titles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, at the hospital. Uh, Unit 9 and the objectives understand the text about a hospital. Okay. X-ray, cast, helmet, elbow, injury, surgeon, accident, treatment, scan.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, for the extra words, we have disease, infection, pain, medicine, bone, skateboard.
Okay.
Okay. Skateboard, operation, surgery, sore, tablet, muscle, and cell. Decided, treated, damaged, swallowed, hurt, fall off. Break, broke, and felt at the hospital. Wear a cast, don't worry, go for a treatment, have an infection.
Mister, 1 second. 1 second.
Sure.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay. Infection means bacteria or viruses enter your body. This this is how an infection happen. Okay, medicine, this is a liquid you drink or a tablet you swallow. Treatment, this is a way of making something better. Injury, this happens when you hurt your body or in an accident. Scan, this lets doctors see inside your body. This is this is a scanning. Sore, causing pain. Okay. Surgery is like an operation. Surgeon can do this to make you better if you are very sick. So it's just an operation. Disease happens when the cells of your body are damaged because of an infection. Um, okay. Then your caps are okay.
Yes.
Do you want to ask for anything?
No.
Okay. Moving to the sprite. Okay, can you read? But reading, I'm asking you questions. Okay.
Okay. We are at the hospital because Hani has an injury. He hurt his elbow when he fell off his bike in the park. He had a helmet, so he didn't hurt his head. And he doesn't want to wear a cast.
Okay, so where are
Uh,
they?
in the hospital.
Who's hurt?
Hani,
Why?
because he fell from his bike.
Fell off his bike. Okay. Uh, why didn't he hurt his head?
Because he was wearing a helmet.
Thanks. I don't want to wear a cast. He says there
Hani,
he
Hani's
says
arm hurt and he
no,
needs
no.
an
Number two,
X-ray.
number two. He says that I don't want to wear a cast. Okay. Why do you think?
What do you think for what? I don't understand.
Why? Why do you think he doesn't want to wear a cast?
So he wants to know how to like move his arm.
Okay. Okay. So do you
And
agree
his
with that?
arm hurts and he needs an
Do, do,
X-ray.
do,
If
do you agree with that?
no, he needs a cast.
Okay, thanks. Number three.
And his arm hurts and he needs an X-ray. If you break an arm, you wear a cast.
Okay. This is his sister. Okay. Don't worry. You will be fine. You don't need to wear it for a long time. This person, okay, says to him that not to worry. Okay. What do you learn from this situation?
Not to be scared.
Okay. And
And I don't know.
do you see? She's telling him to it's your arm hurts and he needs an X-ray, and if you break your arm, you wear a cast. So what is she doing? This girl, his sister,
She's talking to her to his brother.
to her brother to convince him that it's okay. Okay, what about this boy? Why does he care anyway?
Because he tried it.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Do you think he is a kind boy or not?
Kind, yes.
And why?
Because he was supporting Hanny.
Thanks. A hospital is a place where people can go for treatment. Can you read?
A hospital is a place where people can go for treatment. Sometimes people have 1 second.
Mm-hmm. A second, Yatalin, please.
Okay, I'm here. Mister,